10th, 2020, and it's soft hailing again. See, soft hail. Yeah, sorry about my hair right now, but I just didn't feel like brushing it this morning. I'm too lazy. But we are getting this from Deming, which is about an hour from Cruces. And apparently Deming just had a big old snowstorm, which I think it's still going on right now. But apparently it's coming to us now. So out here again for one more time, because apparently temperature is dropping right now. It's so cold. Kind of looks like it's... Nope, it's not calming down. It's not calming down. It's coming a lot more. My hand is freezing right now. Probably when I get inside, I should probably brush my hair. Yeah. I mean, it's only like this because I took a shower last night. So, all right, my hands are freezing. I'm gonna go back inside now. Now we got big flakes coming down. See? That's how big they are. You can see all of them up there.
Or bust. Curtail or bust. That was a thing, huh? Yeah. A lot of people like putting that on the way to concerts or something, isn't there? Maybe. I don't know. I don't either. I'm speculation right now. Again, we'll move here one day. No, we won't. Okay.
Yep. It's not really that cold out here. It's really nice though. Alrighty guys, I'm back outside. Apparently, as you can tell, it is coming down a lot more. And when I mean a lot more, I mean a lot more. I just got off the call on Snapchat with Fabian. I just wanted to check on them to see how they're doing. And they said they're doing really good. They've just been busy with work. And also they've just been hanging out with the guys a lot. Well, you know, like Dom, Scott, Evan, Esteban, Isaac. And also Fabian's also been hanging out with his co-workers. So it was really nice. So I just want to check up on them because it's been a long time since I talked to the guys and been with them. Well, mostly talked to them. But they're doing great, and honestly guys, I miss them. I miss hanging out with them. Hopefully soon I could go over there to Deming and hang out with the guys and do more paranormal investigations and just to have fun over there. Whew, that is cold. That feels good. Oh man, I love this weather. I need to get inside now. Whew, man. Whew, okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, whew, I can't even touch the snow. It's really, really cold. But let me go ahead and... Apparently it is perfect to make a snowball. So... Oh! Okay, I can't do this out here. Hey guys, it is February 12th, 2020, and it is the next day after we had that snowstorm again, which came from... I totally forgot where it came from again. But it's actually not really that cold at how it was like a week ago, because a week ago we had also a snowstorm. But how come this time it's not really that cold out here? I don't get it. We actually weren't supposed to get any more snowstorms at all, but apparently we got another unexpected one. But now it's all done because the next days now is just going to be sunny. I mean, I know it was supposed to be sunny today, but apparently it's still cloudy. But yeah, that's what it looks like all around. I know it looks like it's foggy. It's not. It's just that the camera is trying to focus the background, but it can never do that for some reason. So it's only better when I put the camera on the front. But yeah, it's really nice back here. The roofs are covered with snow. The cars are covered with snow. I thought the roads would be slippery, but it's not that cold for it to be. Not even at night. And I could feel a cold breeze. Yeah, looks like the wind is starting to pick up too, a little bit. I just had a delicious breakfast again. I had a mushroom. There's a dog over there. There's two dogs over there. Oh my god. Don't tell me those are coyotes. Those look like coyotes over there. I wish I could show you guys, but apparently the camera cannot pick it up that good. But they look like coyotes. They look big. Okay, anyways, the breakfast I had... Something just flew into my mouth. Blech. Anyways, before I get interrupted again, the breakfast I had was a mushroom, spinach, cheese omelet with 2 strips of bacon and a tortilla. This is my sister's car right here. And this is my mom's Yukon. See, it's all covered with snow. My hand is still swollen since 3 days ago. I don't know why. And this is what it looks like. You see what I mean? Because remember when it was facing me, you guys couldn't see the background, but now you can. It's always the front camera that could pick up everything, but not the back camera. I don't get it. See, it's all cloudy. You can't see the Oregon mountains right now. And I can see some people. Everybody's getting ready for work, getting ready for school. Obviously, I wish I could have canceled school today so they could at least enjoy the snow and enjoy everything. You see, the roofs are covered in snow. Yeah. Apparently, I couldn't find my tripod. I had it on the couch last night and early this morning, but then when I woke up again, my tripod disappeared. No one else in my house vlogs or uses a tripod. I don't even know what happened to it, so I'm using my hands to operate the camera. Sorry, I'm just making sure I don't see those dogs or whatever they were anymore, because they went down the field, down the road. There's a big old field over here, and then yeah, but I don't see any of them anymore.